is old and has often been told, and I know that I'm not alone. There's a million like me with lonely memories from too much living alone. Where were you when I rang last night? The doorbell was loud as could be. I waited and waited, but no one came. Where were you when the doorbell rang? There's nothing as bad as a heart that is sad like mine, that feels so forlorn. A feeling of despair and darkness everywhere. My life is shattered and torn. Where were you when I rang last night? The doorbell was loud as could be. I waited